टाइम अनंतनाग में बहुत हालत खराब है, 2 हिंदू को मारा उस टाइम। उधर क्या है, दिल्ली में जहन्नम में है, इतनी गर्मी है, इधर अपना सब कुछ है।
बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो कश्मीर में रहकर भी कभी कभी कश्मीर आने का मौका मिलता है उन्हें। आप जब कहाँ की रहने वाली हैं मैम? कितने वर्ष बाद आई हैं यहाँ पर, क्या महसूस कर रही हैं?
महसूस क्या करे, बोल हम दिमाग में आते किसने आइशरी में है, इधर उधर क्या है, दिल्ली में जहन्नम में है, इतनी गर्मी है, इतनी है, इधर अपना सब कुछ है, खेती का है, खाना पीना खरीद लाना ही नहीं, कुछ जिंदगी बेकार ही नहीं।
कब गए आप यहाँ से, क्या हुआ, पूरा प्रकरण बताइए।
उस टाइम अनंतनाग में बहुत हालत खराब है, 2 हिंदू को मारा उस टाइम, 2 हिंदू। एक बड़ा वकील है, वो भी रात को ही मारा, जिनको ऑफिस में निकल गए रास्ते में मारा, उसी टाइम निकला। दूसरी श्रीनगर में मारा, इस टाइम ये पैदा हो गई, उस टाइम टिकटे पे उसको नाम है, लिहाजा उस वजह से रात को निकली। मेरी को छोटी लड़की है, वो डर गई, वो रात को 2 बजे निकले। क्या करना, जिंदगी।
कब की बात है, क्या हुआ था, पूरी बात
में है ना, 98 में।
तो जो मूवी बनी है, आपका पूरा नाम बताइए।
चेतना गंजू।
क्या सुनने को मिलता है घर से, क्या बताते हैं?
हाँ, मतलब I was just 4 months old. I was just 4 months old. I think curfew वगैरह लग गया था. I don't know much about it, but yeah, of course, nobody wanted to come back to migrate from Kashmir. So that was the state at that point in time. Of course, I'd heard so much about Kashmir. Kashmir ऐसा है, Kashmir में ये है, Kashmir स्वर्ग है, and all of that. That's how they used to talk about Kashmir. But I've never seen it. In fact, this is the first time I've come to Kashmir also. With my parents. My mom is here, my grandmom is here, my dad is also in Kashmir at the moment. So of course it's, birthplace pay, coming, visiting for the first time. It's a different experience for me and I'm enjoying it. I would definitely want to be, part of this as much as I can. Experience I think wahi hai ki, when something happens, it becomes a setback, which happened, couple of days back, which I would really want, because I can see there is a lot of, love and hospitality which is there in Kashmir. I've never seen that before, actually, anywhere outside India also. I think preserving that and making, this as lovable, as peaceful place this was earlier, because I've heard from my parents कि कश्मीर में, this जातिवाद and religion वाला कोई problem नहीं था पहले. It just happened with couple of, people who think differently, those kind of people and those kind of mindset. It's actually not prevalent across all the Kashmir. It's just couple, handful of people who are just, destroying the peace in the valley.
कहाँ रहती हैं आप, क्या करती हैं? And if I talk about did the movie have any impact on coming back home and bringing you to Kashmir and
Yes, I
visit?
think it did. It did. In fact, many people outside Kashmir or outside Delhi, outside, in Mumbai also, because a couple of my friends live in Mumbai. And right now I'm in Singapore. I work in IT. So many people didn't know about what happened during that point in time. But now people can relate more. They're more considerate. And I think with the G20 also and with this Kashmir Files movie, people are more aware for sure. And I think even all us Kashmiri people, the children, that kind of generation is also much more interested in coming back, because we also didn't get to hear as much as we could see in the movies, because parents didn't want to talk about it. I think it's just, hurting that, pinning that thing, which is already creating a lot of turmoil for them. They didn't ever want to talk about it in so much great length. But hearing, what we saw in the movie did, I think, जागरूक कर दिया हम बच्चों वाली generation को कि, it's important for us to connect back with Kashmir as much as we can.
आपके साथ क्या बीती थी जो आप बच्चों को बताना नहीं चाहते हैं?
हमारे कुछ नहीं हो गया, मैं खुद ही डर गई, निकल गई। आज हालत ठीक है, आज ठीक है, अब सब हमारे साथ आज अच्छी है, बातचीत भी अच्छी है, आती जाती भी है, सब ये भी आते।
जो छोटी छोटी जो इंसिडेंट्स होते रहते हैं अलग अलग तरह के, जिसमें कभी टेरर अटैक होता है, और इन सब का क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है? डर लगता है कि नहीं आना है, कि देख के लगता है आना है, यही रहना है?
I think अब पहले का when I wasn't visiting Kashmir, तब तक मुझे डर लगता था. In fact, the first day I came to Kashmir, I was a bit hesitant in, moving along freely. अब मुझे नहीं लगता. I spoke to one of the army guy also yesterday. We went to Kheer Bhavani and I was just talking to him about the kind of incidents that happened. And he was mentioning that, now it's quite safe. Now it's, I mean, what we have seen earlier, a couple of years back also versus now, it's quite a lot more safe. And अब वो डर नहीं लगता जो पहले लगा करता था. Now it's a much safer and peaceful place.
एज अ नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? क्या एक मूवी की जरूरत पड़ती है जनरेशन को वापस बुलाने के लिए?
I think हाँ, अब वो भी हमें mindset थोड़ा सा change करना है. Connecting more, visiting. I think tourism would definitely help. As much as tourism would evolve in this, valley, that would really help. हाँ, we will have to leave.
So that is चेतना संजू, बाहर रहती हैं, लेकिन इस समय बड़ी बात यह कि एक और सिनेमा, दूसरी ओर G20 और उन सब के बीच उनका पहला अपने घर आने का दौरा. कैमरा पर्सन रविश पांडे के साथ मनोज्ञा लोईवाल, श्रीनगर, ABP न्यूज.